This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Tuesday. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network. Pending home sales index fell 6.5% in August after dropping a revised 10.7% in July, lowest level in more than 6 years since 2001. Pending home sales are down 21.5% compared with a year ago and are down 22% compared with 6 months ago. U.S. retail sales were unchanged for the week ending September 29th. Same-store sales considered the best measure of a retailer's results because they exclude the effect of store openings and closings in the past year. Citigroup is buying the rest of Nikko Cordial Corp., Japan's third-largest brokerage, for shares valued at about $4.6 billion. Citigroup already owns 68% of that company. Procter & Gamble might raise as much as $13.5 billion, selling its Duracell battery, Folgers coffee, and Pringles potato chip units to buy back stock. P&G make it as much as $7 billion for Duracell, $3 billion for Folgers, and $3.5 billion for Pringles. Canada's TD Bank Financial Group said it will acquire Mid-Atlantic Regional Bank Commerce Bank Corp. for $8.5 billion in cash and stock. And the NASDAQ stock market said it will buy the Boston Stock Exchange and related companies for about $61 million. A New York woman is so angry at Apple for cutting $200 off the price of the iPhone that she's filed a lawsuit seeking $1 million in damages. The woman claims that the company violated price discrimination laws when it slashed the price of the 8-gigabyte iPhone by a third within 2 months of the iPhone's June debut. In earnings news, meantime, the iPhone is hurting Palm, the company reporting a disappointing quarterly outlook while urging investors to be patient as it tries to regain strong growth. Excluding items, the company said it would have earned $9.7 million or 9 cents a share. Dean Foods lowered its profit expectations for the third quarter and for 2007, citing record-high dairy commodity costs, and said it plans to cut 600 to 700 jobs. Dean Foods now expects earnings per share about 15 cents for the third quarter and about $1.25 for the full year. And Pepsi Bottling Group reported third quarter earnings up sharply as volume sales rose and the company successfully passed higher sweetener prices on to customers, you and me. Earnings rose $229 million or 99 cents a share, surpassing analysts' expectations of a profit of 89 cents a share. Economic reports on Wednesday include the ISM Services Index for September and the regular Wednesday Energy Department oil inventories for the week of September 28th. Earnings tomorrow, Aero International, Immucor, Wolverine Worldwide, Smart Modular Technologies among the marquee names. Some of the stocks in the news today. Bank of America traded higher after Goldman Sachs analysts resumed coverage of the bank with a buy rating, citing enormous unrealized equity gains. Forest Labs was lifted to a hold from sell at Citigroup, which cited the recent decline in the shares. And Iconos Communications expects to record a third quarter charge of $3.6 million to $4 million related to severance packages and design tool write-offs. Finally, AngioDynamics' fiscal first quarter net income rose 25% to $2.4 million. That's the Market Wrap on a Tuesday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.